Once upon a time, in a quiet little village surrounded by rolling green hills, a young boy had a very important job, taking care of the village's sheep. Every day he led the sheep up the hill where they grazed on fresh green grass, while he kept watch. But after a while, the boy started to get bored. Day after day, nothing ever changed. The sun would shine, the sheep would nibble on the grass, and not a single exciting thing happened. The boy wished for something, anything, to break the boring routine. And that's when an idea popped into his head.